I've done here today that is not pushing down on the nail gun. So we're gonna plug it in and see what's going on. So as we see, the pushing lever is not pushing down. So we're gonna take it apart and see what is holding it back. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna put it in here and take this apart and see what is holding this pushing lever. We're gonna take our number 5 and remove this bolt and the cover. Second, we're gonna take this and halfway to loosen it. And then we're gonna take a number 6 Allen and take the bolt from the back of the magazine. We're gonna take the magazine out. And then I'm gonna grab my pin remover, my hammer. And there's a pin that's right in between the pushing lever. Let me show you. So there is a pin that is right there, and we're gonna remove that pin so we can release this cover, and this pushing lever won't be able to be released. So let's go ahead and do that. So alright, so we got that pin out. So now the pushing lever, it is moving. It was getting held back by the pin, and the pin was not allowing it to push down. The pin was broken, as you see. So we're gonna replace that pin, put the cover on, and see what it does. So there we go, we're gonna put a new pin. Got a new pin installed, and then we're gonna do everything backwards. We're gonna put the magazine back on. Grab this cover, take the bolt, alright guys, so we got that pin that was stuck inside there. It was a broken pin, and it was not allowing the pushing lever to push down. So we went ahead and removed that pin, and we put a new one inside. So let's go ahead and test it out and see if it's gonna shoot. Alright guys, so we replaced the pin, and that was the only thing that was holding it back down from not getting pushed. It was broken pin. So go ahead and if you would like to see where to buy this kind of pin If you have the same issue, go look down below in the link. I'll post a link where to find a pin. And if you guys have any more questions or comments on what you'd like me to do next, what do you want me to replace them, I can also make a couple more videos of you guys' requests. Thank you.